Hey friends, and welcome back to our blog or YouTube channel, and we appreciate you coming and celebrating with us. We're so excited to be celebrating our 5th anniversary here at Honeybee Stamps. And to start the day out, we have our Be Bold Lowercase Alphabet dies. Now we have the uppercase already, so make sure you look for those in the shop. And this is our lowercase set. I'm going to get these all die cut out and adhered onto some white cardstock, so these are easier to see. But you can see there we have our super cute little lowercase alphabet, perfect for any kind of scrapbook project or card making. It's just perfect. Now there are some extras in this set. So for the tittle on the J and the I, you can either use the square or the circle. So there's lots of options there. I love Crystal's Bible journaling page here. She's paired Don't Worry, Be Happy with one of our sweet little freebie sets. Lisa has created this really interesting card using positive areas of the die cuts and the negative, and she's added little shaker elements. What a cool use of this lowercase Be Bold alpha. Here Keiko has used that lowercase alpha to create shaker elements as well, and paired that with one of our super cute new upcoming stamp sets. Now speaking of that brand new stamp set, this is called Build a Bot. Now you have 4 choices for cute little heads for your robots, lots of choices for bodies, legs, arms, and then lots of little add-ons. So you can add in the little light bulbs, little lightning or charging bolts over their heads. There's little antennas, anything that you can think of to build a bot that Melissa has thought of when designing this stamp set. Now, of course, there is a coordinating die set, and it is going to cut out every single piece of that stamp set. So I have cut these and colored them. I'm going to lay them all out so you can see just how cute these are. It's like building paper dolls. You just mix and match and make your little robot look exactly like you want it to. So there are claws for hands. I love the little bodies that have the little dials and gears and little parts and pieces that show whether they are fueled up or not. There's lots of little arms that mix and match, and some of the little arms look like they're even made out of tubing or something like that, wires even. There's little antennas that can go in the head. There are gears, and 2 of the large gears that you see in the top right hand corner, those have a little balloon bottoms. So if you wanted to make your little robot into a birthday robot, he could use the strings and those balloon gears and have a little birthday balloon there. Now, of course, we had to have a perfect sentiment set to go along with our Build-A-Bot, and this one is called Geared Up. So we have lots of cute sentiments. You light up my life. I'm nuts and bolts for you. Thanks a bot. My heart beeps for you. Programmed to party. Buzz. HB to you. Love you. I miss you. And it says that's Robot Talk 4, so you can mix and match. Gear up for a great birthday. And then there's a coordinating die set that goes along with this super cool sentiment set. I'm going to stamp these and cut these out so you can see exactly what they're going to look like on your projects. I just love the coordinating dies that go along with the sentiment sets. That way you can add more texture and dimension to the front of your cards. So you have My Heart Beeps for You, You Light Up My Life, that's Robot Talk for I Love You, or Thanks a Bot, Zap, You Charge Me Up, Boop, Program to Party, Gear Up for a Great Birthday, Hello, and then there's Zip, Zap, Boop, Beep, lots of little things that you can mix and match to make your robots talk. Happy Bot Day, HB to you, you are unique, I'm nuts and bolts for you, which would be super cute on a card with those little gears and screws and bolts. Happy birthday, Buzz, I like you a bot. Super fun. There's a stencil set that would coordinate great with this stamp and die set and sentiment set. So you've got these gears, and this set is called In Gear, of course. So you've got the gear part and then you have the center of a gear. I'm going to create a little background piece with both of these, and what I did was I laid some embossing ink down onto that white cardstock, and I just did white embossing powder, and then I sponged on with the gear part a dark gray. And then I just wiped off the areas because that embossing powder is going to dry kind of slick. I wiped it off, and then I have this really cool look for that in gear stencil set. So super fun for little robot backgrounds. How great would that be for a Father's Day card? Here's an awesome card from Jenny. She's used that in gear stencil, lots of those little bits and pieces, and then of course the sentiment, gear up for a great birthday. Here's another card using the stencil from Angelica. She used kind of a glitter paste for the centers. I love that. And I'm nuts and bolts for you. Here Jenny has made an awesome robot card. I love the little heart light bulb that little robot's holding, and you charge me up. Last but not least is an awesome card from Angelica. Her little robots are geared up to party. It looks like they're dancing. I'm in love with this. You can see there it's both masculine and feminine with the little pink and blue bots. Super cute, adorable. Next up is our Far Out Friends stamp set. This is a huge 6x8 stamp set. I love the moon or the planet there at the bottom, so you can design the perfect landscape for your little friends. There's a space boy and girl in their little space suits. There's little aliens or little space monsters at the bottom, a rocket ship, lots of planets, and then tons and tons of accessories so you can design the perfect background or space scene for your Far Out Friends. There's a coordinating die set that goes along with the stamp set. It's going to cut out the little boy and girl, the little space aliens, the rocket ship, and then lots of little extras. I'm going to stamp these and die cut these out so you can see exactly what you're getting in both the stamp set and the die set. So I have the rocket there, the little boy and girl, the cute little aliens, some of the planets, the flag, the little flame for your rocket ship, the moon or the planet there. There's some strings, balloon strings. So those were made so you could make those planets into balloons for your little boy or girl or your little aliens to hold on to a little celebration balloon. Stellar Sentiments is the perfect sentiment set to pair along with all your space themed and far out friends. We have Happy Birthday, Earthling, to my favorite, Human, thank you, your friendship is, you are, miss you, out of this world, love you to the, and you can mix that much, the moon and back, and there's blast, monster, stellar, astronomical, and then lots of take us to your cake. That's a super cute one. I believe in you. I totally spaced your birthday. And then there's a coordinating die set that goes along with this that's going to cut out some of those larger words so you can mix and match and pop those up onto your card fronts. I've stamped out those words and I've die cut those. So those are super fun to add some texture and dimension to the front of your card. So there's a die for Out of This World, Astronomical, Earthling, Human, Blast, Spaced, Stellar, Cake, and then Moon. And there's also one for Monster, and that one has gone rogue on me. So, but there's also a die for that one as well. I don't want you to miss out on that. Here's some awesome inspiration from Brenda. She's done a whole little boy and girl space theme, and I love how she's done the little moon or planet there at the bottom. You are out of this world. I love that one from Brenda. I love this color scheme from Bobby. It's bright and fun. She's got her rocket ship there. Have an astronomical day. I totally spaced your birthday with the planets and the circle dies. Super cute. And this one is from Julianne. She has a whole scene there with a little space girl, and boy, you are out of this world. And this last one is from Julianne as well. She's done like a circle there, a spotlight there with her little aliens. Take us to your cake. Perfect for a birthday celebration. Next are the To the Moon stencil set. So this is like a total scene builder. So there's the rocket, the planets, there's masks, there's even little pieces so you can build up that moon or planet there at the base of your scene. Now hold these up so you can get a closer look. So that's one of the stencils. You can see here how you can build the planets with the rings. There's the rocket ship. There's even the fire. There is the moon base or your little planet base for your scene there at the bottom. So this is perfect if you want to sponge on or brush on color and make it more of a flat scene, or you can just add color and dimension to your die cuts. So there's lots of masks that go along with this one as well. And I'm just going to turn on a little bit of fun music, and I am going to show you what these look like when you add color. Those stencils are so fun. But another thing that is super fun and super cute and pairs perfectly with our space theme today is the rocket dies. Now this cuts out the base for your rocket, little layered window holes, the fins. There's a little base part that goes down to where the flames would come out. And then there's also a little nose cone tip, so you can change the color of that. Here I have cut this out of different colors of cardstock so we can see exactly what it looks like. I used kind of a corrugated silver paper for that layering of the window and then down along to where the flame would be. I did add a hinge so I can make this into a cute little card base. And here Bobby has done an excellent job. I love her little rocket ship and all its details, along with her far out friends. And Mari has also done a super cute design. She's made the planet Earth into a little balloon. She's added her little boy space guy there and a super sweet happy birthday card with the rocket dies. Now this has been day 2 for our little sneak peeks and our 5th anniversary release. I hope you're celebrating along with us. Make sure you check out our blog and social media accounts. We're having lots of giveaways and fun this week. So we hope to see you again here tomorrow.